Good afternoon, students. In our previous video lesson, we have studied about acute angles, right angle and obtuse angle. Today we are going to study about the measurement of those angles. In order to do that, we need to know some important pair of angles. So our first point is complementary angles. So what do you mean by complementary angles? Suppose you have two angles. In order to say that those two angles are complementary angles, you have to check that their sum is 90 degree or not. If the sum of those two angles is 90 degree, you can say that the pair of angles is a complementary angle. And also you need to remember that both the angles have to be an acute angle. So let us see with an example. Suppose you have two acute angles. Acute angle 1 and acute angle 2. If I take one acute angle, suppose 60 degree and 30 degree, you can easily see that the sum of these two angles is 90 degree. You can check it in graph that 60 degree plus 30 degree is how much? 90 degree. So these two angles are complementary angles and hence we can say these two are the pair of complementary angles. Now suppose if anyone asks you that what is the complement of 60 degree? So you know what is the meaning of complementary angles. So you can easily say that if you subtract 60 degree from 90 degree, you will get 30 degree, because you have been asked to find out the complementary angle of 60 degree. So you know the sum of complementary angles will be 90 degree. Hence, you will subtract 60 degree from 90 degree to get 30 degree, the remaining complement angle. So our next part is supplementary angles. What do you mean by supplementary angles? If you have two angles and one is an obtuse angle and another one is an acute angle, if the sum of those two angles is 180 degree, you can say that those two angles are supplementary angles. You need to remember that for forming a supplementary pair, one angle has to be an obtuse angle and another one has to be an acute angle. Let us see with an example. Suppose you have one obtuse angle and an acute angle. Suppose the obtuse angle is 120 degree and acute angle is 60 degree. If you add these two angles, what are you getting? You are getting the value 180 degree. You can check it in graph. Thus we can call these two angles as supplementary pair, or we can call these angles as supplementary angles. So in a different way also we can say that 120 is the supplement of 60 degree, or you can say 60 degree is the supplement of 120 degree. Suppose if anyone asks you that what is the supplementary angle of 60 degree, similar way what will you do? You know the sum of the angles will be 180 degree. You will just deduct 60 degree from 180 degree. Hence you are getting 120 degree. So we can say that the supplementary angle of 60 degree is 120 degree. I hope you have understood till this part. Next we are coming to the unit of measurement. We all know that we measure the angle in degrees. So further, degree is divided into 60 equal parts and each part is called as 1 minute. So 1 degree is divided into 60 equal parts in minutes. This symbol denotes minutes, and further 1 minute was divided into 60 equal parts, which is called seconds. So we can represent 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds, and this double dash symbol denotes seconds. Now we can represent any given angle in the form of degree, minute as well as seconds. So let us learn that. Let us start with the 90 degree. Suppose you take an angle of 90 degree. So 90 degree you can write in the form of 89 degree plus 1 degree. We can write this. Now from this given data, can we say that 1 degree means 60 minutes? I can write 60 minutes in the place of 1 minute. Again, we can represent 60 minutes as 59 minutes plus 1 minute. Again, from the given data, can you write 89 degree 59 minute plus 60 seconds? You can write that because 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Therefore, we can say that 90 degree is equals to 89 degree 59 minute and 60 second. So thus we have represented 90 degree in the form of degree, minute as well as second. Let us learn how to represent 180 degree. So you can also represent 180 degree in this form. 179 degree plus 1 degree. In the similar manner, you can write 1 degree as 60 minutes. Again we can write, to divide this minute into second, as 59 minutes and 1 second. We can write that. So 179 degree plus 59 minute plus, and 1 minute is equals to how many seconds? 60 seconds. So we can write it here. Thus we can also represent 180 degree in the form of minutes as well as second. So 179 degree 59 minute and 60 second. Why we are learning this? Because many times will come that whenever suppose if anyone asks you to find the angle, complementary angle of a given angle, suppose 23 degree 15 minutes and 60 seconds, suppose 23 degree 52 minutes and 38 seconds. This is the given angle to you, and you have been asked to calculate the complementary angle of this one. So you already know the sum of complementary angles will be 90 degree always. So what will you do? You will subtract the given angle from 90 degree. Now you have learned how to represent 90 degree in the form of degree, minute and second. So now it is easier for us to subtract. Let us see what the result comes. If we want to find the complementary angle of this angle, so what we can write? 90 degree minus 23 degree 52 minute and 38 seconds. So 90 degree we can write in this form. We have learned just now. 89 degree 59 minutes and 60 seconds minus 23 degree 52 seconds. Now it is easier for us to subtract. So we can subtract that. If you have confusion to do it directly, you can do it in the rough. You check it in the rough. What is the calculation? 22 seconds you are getting here. You are getting 7 minutes and 66 degree. So after subtracting this, we can get 66 degree, 7 minute and 22 seconds. Now it is easier for us to subtract or find the complementary angle of the given angle if you know how to represent 90 degree in the form of degree, minute and second. Let us also see for the supplementary angle. Suppose an angle has been given to you 72 degree, 38 minute and 42 seconds, and you have been asked to calculate the supplementary angle of this given angle. You already know how to calculate the supplementary angle because the sum of the supplementary angles will be 180 degree. You need to just subtract this given angle from 180 degree. So let us do that. So 180 degree minus 72 degree, 38 minutes and 42 seconds. You have learned just now how to represent 180 degree in the form of degree, minute and second. So you can write that 179 degree, 59 minutes, 60 seconds minus 72 degree, 38 minutes and 42 seconds. If you have confusion to do it directly, you can do the rough. Do it. Subtract it. So we are getting here 18 seconds, 21 minutes and 107 degree. So we can write, after subtracting this, we are getting 107 degree, 21 minute, 18 seconds. I hope you have understood how to find the complementary angles, supplementary angles, and also by using this minute and second part. Thank you.